Coffee shop in here.
You
I
were
was.
here? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. You're my percussionist, right?
Sometime. I've been your bass player in the past too.
Oh, yeah. Right. You gotta give me credit for that.
Even a little bit of guitar too, right?
Right.
And I usually kind of, have an idea
Right.
for you, right?
Right. So how'd you come up with the percussion? The bongos?
I improvised it.
Did you?
Yeah. It's just because I never heard your music or what I was setting the bongos
Right.
to, so I just
It was new stuff.
usually once you hear something that you're going to put it to, it gives you an idea. Whoa.
What goes with it, right?
Yeah. I was just trying a bunch of different stuff really, so that way you could pick from it and use what works
Right.
best for your opinion. It's your vision, your creation.
Right.
So
So I've been doing vocals. It's a lot of work.
yeah.
It's been like 3 days, just vocals all day, improvising.
On how many songs?
I'm on my third one.
Well, that's pretty good. So that's like a song a day, right?
Pretty much. Just to get the rough ideas,
Yeah.
I just go start to finish. And once I start spinning, like, trying to find something in there after like 2 minutes, nothing's coming, I move to the next part.
It's a good idea.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, you got to break up the.
Yeah, because nothing's happening. You're forcing it at that
Sometimes
point,
you get into a certain frame of mind that's not working for that.
Right.
And
It might be at that time.
At that
right?
moment, you need a distraction so you can kind of like free up that state of mind and get into a different frame of mind.
Right.
It might work better for what you're trying
Otherwise,
to
you burn out your inspiration. That's what I find.
So,
If I just stick with it.
it's kind of funny, but every now and then distraction can be a good thing. Like it can be a bad thing if you're on something and it's working,
Right.
and you're in the right frame of mind. You want to stay in that.
Right. Then
Right.
you keep working.
But quite often, we don't get in the right state of mind for what we're doing, and that's when you need like a 5-minute distraction to clear the brain and try to reset it in a way that's going to
Or just
right
do
frame of
something
mind.
totally different.
Yeah,
Right.
and maybe click into the right frame of mind. It's all about frame of mind.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. You might be tired, so maybe you need something slow to
Yeah.
sing to.
Sometimes a good power nap.
Yeah.
helps,
I know. Neil Finn does that from Crowded Helps. Greg was just saying that.
Whenever I get a chance.
I got to put it, sit, I can spinning. Try the